Let's understand translational repeat command. Suppose I want to repeat this beam or the floor in Y direction. Just go to front view, select that floor, go to the geometry, translational repeat. Now look at this. There are three directions. First X, Y and Z. If you want to repeat the structure in X direction, you need to select X. If you want to repeat the structure in Y direction, you need to select Y. If you want to repeat the structure in Z direction, select Z. Number of steps and spacing. There are the two columns. First is the step counting and second one spacing. I am selecting or providing a 3 steps and default spacing is 5 meter. But I want the first story of 3 meter, second is of 4 meter and third is of 3.5 meter. So just change this spacing. Do not change the default step spacing. If you want all the floors for same height, then only select the default one. If you want different heights for different floors, just go to the spacing and change one by one. Any spacing you want. Then renumber bay and link step. When you choose renumber bay, it will adjust the numbers of the member. With the help of link step, it will repeat the member and link with the previous member. It will create a link or a member in between new member and the selected member. When you select all, it will repeat geometry and property both. If you click in geometry only, it will repeat only geometry, it will not repeat a property. When you click on geometry and property only, it will repeat geometry and property both. When you click on all, it will repeat all the properties assigned to the member. I have selected 3.2 meter, 3.1 meter and 3 meter different heights. Just click on the link step. I want to repeat in Y direction. Okay. Look at this. Structure is repeated over here. Now, if I want to repeat this particular bay in a X direction, just select that bay. Go to the translation repeat, X direction, number of steps. If I want 3 steps of same size like 4 meter, need not to change the spacing one by one. If I want same spacing for all the 4 bays, just click on the link step and open base. Open base option will open this base at bottom. For practice, first I have unchecked that option and go to OK. Look at this, the base is connected. Now delete this. Select, go to the translation repeat, X direction, number of step 3, 4, link step and open base. Okay. Now look at this, base is open. Thanks for watching this.